Hi everybody, Simon Whiteley here. This is just a quick reminder that next Saturday I'm going to be running my next stamp workshop where I'll introduce the stamp-based analysis process, CAST, accident analysis, on a real example, a railway example this time, and you'll get the opportunity to learn stamp, learn the basic principles, the process, the language, the vocabulary. We will go through an example of the CAST accident analysis process where we will look through the accident report that we're using for this example. We will walk through, create the timeline, create the control structure model, then we'll analyse that model looking at the components in that structure and then the structure itself. And we'll document the results, document the questions that we would like to ask if we'd have been part of the investigation, and also compare recommendations between the official recommendations and the recommendations that we would make as part of that process. Now, this is a 6-hour workshop. We will be working together, asking questions, learning from each other and networking. And then this work will be used as the basis for the following week, for the following Saturday, where I'm going to do a 2-hour masterclass, which will basically go through the details and the overview of it. Now, if you are interested, please don't hesitate to register because it is limited spaces. Clearly, it's going to be a workshop with limited people, working together, being able to talk to each other. So please, if you do want to go, you do want to learn about stamp and you want to learn especially about CAST, but even if you want to learn about STPA, we will be talking about that in detail as part of this workshop. So please click the link below, register your place, and if you'd also like to get the recordings as well, they will be available either on the day that you register or also afterwards. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you on the workshop.